Hi, my name is Esteban Martinez, and today we're going to see two different chemical reactions. In this case, we're going to see combustion and synthesis. First, I'm going to carry out the synthesis reaction. So first, we're going to see briefly what is synthesis. Briefly explain, synthesis is the union of two or more compounds that could be organic or inorganic to form one complex or one new. So to do the experiment, we have a half of cup of vinegar, an empty glass, and some baking soda, like a pinch. And so we're going to pour a half cup of vinegar. Now the baking soda. I think we need more. So what is going to happen is that there's a gas forming. I'm going to a little bit more. So we're seeing that when you put vinegar and baking soda, it forms carbon dioxide. So we see the synthesis reaction because we take two different compounds and we form a new one. So one hypothesis we could say is that when we with the union of two different compounds, in this case the vinegar as well as the baking soda, there is going to form something different to form the synthesis, because as we know, it has to form something new or something complex. So we're going to see what happens. It's me again. So as we see, we accomplished to do the synthesis reaction. So now we're going to do the combustion reaction, which is a little bit more complex. But it's important to say that to carry out this experiment, you have to use safety equipment like a coat and a mask, because this could be dangerous for your health. So yeah, don't forget to use it. Like, you may not see me with the safety equipment, but I was wearing it. So okay, so now after we perform the synthesis reaction experiment, we're going to do the combustion. So basically, combustion is when an element or a compound reacts with oxygen. So an hypothesis that we could see is that when I put the elements with oxygen, the fire is going to be turned off. So the things we need to do this experiment is first a bottle, like a big one, some vinegar, and also baking soda as the last experiment. Some wood stick, that is going to be like the combustion element. So this is combustive, you know. And some phosphorus. But in my case, I'm going to do the stove to turn it on. So now we're going to perform it. So first, we're going to pour some baking soda. I think this is a good amount. I'm going to pour a little bit. Well, I think we can use a little bit more. It's okay. A little bit, just a little bit. And now the vinegar, we put it right there. Be careful. Well, see the bubbles that are here. So this is basically the carbon dioxide. So now we're going to perform it. First, we have to pour some baking soda right here. Not so much. I think this amount is okay. Like, we have to mix it a little bit. Now we put the vinegar in. So here we see the carbon dioxide. Now we take this, we put it right here. Ta-da! You see that because of the carbon dioxide, the fire that is put into the wood stick that is combustive, it's over. Because the reaction that carbon dioxide have with wood and fire makes that it's over. Like, the fire is not anymore. So we proved that our hypothesis that the two elements in this case, the carbon dioxide that is formed with the baking soda and the vinegar, as well as the wood stick, they're going to react to and with the fire when we put it right here. So as you see, I'm wearing some gloves, glasses, coat, and it's very important because the reaction that is formed, like the vapor that is forming, could be dangerous for your health, so be careful. So to close this video, we can observe in the whole experiment that chemical reactions are really important to our life. Like everything we have in our house, baking soda, vinegar, water, everything could form chemical reactions. So yeah, thank you so much for seeing.